Okay, so my audience consists of my niece Liberty, my sister Brianna, my mom Cheryl, my sister Paige, and my dad Marquise. It's the middle of June, and my phone alerts with a weather advisory warning of an incoming hurricane to my area. While some of my neighbors decide to evacuate the area, others decide to stick out the storm. I begin to think to myself, would it be better for me to stick it out, or should I evacuate? Hi, my name is Markel Reed, and I'm here today to talk to you guys about hurricanes. With the help of the National Hurricane Center and some personal experience, I decided to research the topic of hurricanes. I will explain the formation, the categorization, and preparation of hurricanes. Hurricanes are tropical cyclones that can reach over thousands of miles. They form when cool air sits over top of warm water and begins to circle. Before storms can reach a hurricane, they have to go through 3 steps. First being a tropical disturbance, second, a tropical depression, and third, a tropical storm, finally reaching the stage of hurricane. So now that we spoke a little bit about hurricane formation, let's talk about categorization. Hurricane categorization is on a scale of 1 through 5. 1 being the weakest and 5 being the most strong. The hurricane scale that meteorologists use is called the Saffir-Simpson scale. It was created by Herbert Saffir, who was an engineer, and Robert Simpson, who was the president of the National Hurricane Center. It was created in 1971 after the Hurricane Camille in 1969. The scale not only ranks from strengths, but also from winds, precipitation, and damage. So the larger numbers of these categories will be listed in 5, and the lowest numbers are in the category of 1. So now that we focus on formation and categorization, let's talk about preparation. Preparation is the most crucial part to talking about hurricanes. Not only knowing and having all your essentials for natural disasters, but also knowing your route, your evacuation route, is important. For those who are in areas that are prone to hurricanes, the evacuation route is listed on their Weather Channel websites, or you can find it along their local highways. Also, keeping in touch with your local weather and national weather channels would let you know what to expect from an incoming hurricane, so that you will always be prepared. In conclusion, we spoke about one of the most disastrous natural disasters, and we discussed formation and talked about the categorization and preparation of hurricanes. So now when a hurricane comes to your area, or in my area in Isaac, I would know what to do. which is prepare. Preparing is one of the most important parts. So when the answers to the question of whether to stay and wait out the storm or to evacuate, preparation will answer them.